ఇంకేమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ అందులో మీరు ఏమైనా ట్రై చేసి డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి అందులో. Solve any questions at home and if you have any doubts, ask those questions. Fifth question. Okay. PSQ is the focal chord of the parabola. Okay. This is directrix. This is y-axis, x-axis. Now, PSQ is a focal chord. Suppose this is S. PSQ is a focal chord. Okay. This focus is S. Vertex at A. This is point A. PA and QA. PA and QA are produced to meet the directrix at R and S respectively. R and T. Sorry. Okay. So PSQ is a focal chord. PSQ is a focal chord. PA and QA are produced to meet the directrix in R and T respectively. Then angle RST. Then angle RST is the angle RST. Okay. Now you just need to find the coordinates. First thing is focal chord kada. Is it T aithe idemotadi -1/t. Endpoints of focal chord. One of the endpoints has parameter T1 and the other T2. Then T2 will be equal to -1/T1, right? So T aithe -1/T. So product of -1 వచ్చేస్తుంది చూసుకుంటే ఇది 90 ఖచ్చితంగా. Okay. So దానిని మనం తెలియలేదు జస్ట్ ఇది 90. తెలుసా? నేను కొంచెం okay, now PA. So this is 80 square comma 280. This is what? 80 square comma 280. So this will be what? A by B square comma minus 2A by B. Okay. What is the equation of directrix? X plus A is equal to 0. Equation of directrix is X plus A is equal to 0. Now find the equation of AB. This is simply origin, right? Simply origin. So y is equal to what is 280 by 80 square? slope of AB 280 by 80 square. So which is 2 by t. Slope of AB is 2 by t. So equation is y is equal to mx. Equation of AB is y is equal to mx. So 2 by t into x. That is the equation of AB. So you have found the equation of AB, which is y is equal to 2 by t into x. Now point of intersection of AP with x plus a is equal to 0. So how to find point R? How to find point R? See, point R is on this line, which means x coordinate is minus a. So if you put x minus a, what is the value of y you are going to get? Minus 2a by t. That is point R. That is point R. Obviously, s is a comma 0. Similarly, okay, find point T. Similarly, first we find the equation of QA and then point T and then point T. First we got point R, we also find point T and then angle RS. How? Because tan theta formula, using tan theta mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. See, once you get points R and T, you already know point S, which is a comma 0. We can find the slopes of ST and RS. We can find slopes of ST and SR, which are M1 and M2. So after getting M1 and M2, we can find the angle between RS and ST, which is angle RS. That is 55th one. Okay. Now we'll see R6. Okay. Two common tangents to the circle, x square plus y square is equal to 2a square, and parabola y square is equal to 8ax. This is 7 marks question, right? First one. Okay, first one in the archives is 7 marks question in boards. So, my text is directly main question padindi. 2.21. Okay. The 7 marks question in our board station. First question. Second one. The normal at the point bt1 square comma 2bt1 on a parabola meets the parabola again at the point. Direct question adu t2 will be equal to minus t1 minus 2 by t1. That's what discussed. Right? Next, third one. If a not equal to 0 on the line passes through the points of intersection of the parabola and this. Okay. Third one. Simple thing, calculation part. So y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay. So points of intersection. Points of intersection. Okay, points of intersection. So what is the value of x from here? X is equal to y square by 4a. Now this can be written. Okay, so which will give you y square by 4a whole square is equal to 4a into y. So y power 4 by 16a square is equal to 4a into y. Y will get cube. So y cube is equal to 64a cube. So y is equal to 4a. Y is equal to 4a. Then x will also be equal to 4a. So point of intersection is Point of intersection is 4a, comma 4a. Next, given condition is 2bx plus 3cy plus 4t is equal to 0 passes through this point. Okay, 2bx plus 3cy plus 4t is equal to 0 passes through this point. The substituent 2b into 4a plus 3c into 4a 3c into 4a plus 4d is equal to 0. First 4 cancel. So 2ab plus 3ac plus d is equal to 0. That is the answer. Points of intersection. There is another point of intersection. Zero comma zero also. So we eliminated that case and we cancelled y. Before cancelling, put y is 0 and you will get x 0. So there is another point of intersection. అది కూడా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం అనుకోండి ఏమవుతుంది 4d is equal to 0. Which means d is equal to 0. D is equal to 0. 2ab plus 3ac is equal to 0. Take a common and simplify. 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. Okay. So we got 2b plus 3c is equal to 0 and b and d is equal to 0. So two terms are zeros. So squaring of all, both the terms will also be 0. So put the different feature option from there. Is the answer. Okay. So we missed one of the points of intersection here. So 0 comma 0 is also one of the points of intersection. This is another one 4a comma 4a. So substituting both the points, we got d is equal to 0 and 2b plus 3c is equal to 0, not r, not r. Okay. So d is equal to 0 and 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. So combining both the equations and writing it and representing it in a single equation, you will get this d square plus 2b plus 3c whole square is equal to 0. Next, చివరి నుంచి వద్దాం. Sixteen one. Tangent and normal are drawn at P16, 16 on the parallel of y square is equal to 15x. which intersects the axis of the parabolas at A and B. Okay. If C is the center of the circle through the points P, A, and B. Okay. An angle CPB is theta and the value of tan theta is. Okay. Anyways, 16th one. 2018 also the latest question. So tangents and normals are tangent and normal are drawn at P 16, 16 on the parabola y square is equal to 16x. So compare this with 80 square 280. Compare this with 80 square 280. And this is y square is equal to 4 into 4 into x. So a is equal to 4. So if a is equal to 4, 280 is equal to 16. A is 4. So 8 2 0. So t is equal to 2 and a is equal to 4. So equation of tangent at p. Equation of tangent at p. In formula y is equal to xt plus yt is equal to x plus at square. Okay, yt is equal to x plus at square. So what is the value of t? 2y is equal to x plus 4 into 4 16. So x minus 2y plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay. Tangent and normal. Okay. Tangent and normal at P on the parabola intersect the axis of parabolas at axis of the parabola at A and B. So point A, axis is the point A. So put y0. Put y0. So if you put y0, what is the value of x here? Put y0. X is minus 16. So that is point A. Okay. Next, coming to point B. So for that we need equation of normal. Equation of normal at P. Okay. So equation of normal at P, which equation is y plus xt is equal to 280 plus 80 cube. So y plus 2x is equal to 280, 2 into 4, 8 into 2, 16 plus 4 into t cube, 8 4 the 32. So 2x plus y minus 48 is equal to 0. So from here, how to get point B? Again, put y0, x you are going to get 24. Point B is 24 comma 0. Point A is minus 16 comma 0. And point P is 16 comma 16. Point B is 16 comma 16. Okay. Next question, continuation.